Phonics Sentences Practice for Kids. Short vowel U. Run in the sun with a big bun. Run in the sun with a big bun. The mud is on the bud of the plant. The mud is on the bud of the plant. Cut the nut with the sharp ut. Cut the nut with the sharp ut. The sun is up, let's run and have fun. The sun is up, let's run and have fun. Bring the bun and sit in the sun. Bring the bun and sit in the sun. The nut is in the hut near the mud. The nut is in the hut near the mud. Jump and put the bud in the mud. Jump and put the bud in the mud. The run is long, wear a snug bun. The run is long, wear a snug bun. The dog dug a hole in the hut. The dog dug a hole in the hut. The nut is on the rug, pick it up. The nut is on the rug, pick it up. Great job, kids! You're on your way to becoming fantastic readers. Keep practicing and exploring the world of phonics. See you in the next exciting lesson.